made to startle you?
We had some trees come down and a lot of things blew around, but we did okay.
Yeah.
Nothing major.
But boy, did Mother Nature get a freak on last night. It was pretty gusty. I mean, it was to the point where it sounded like a freight train going through when it came, and you could just see those trees bending pretty well. Even the stalwart, sturdy trees were going pretty good on the side, you know, being blown over. So lots of branches falling everywhere, smaller branches, hopefully not too big of branches, but you didn't want to be out in it.
So yeah, we live like a few blocks away from here. The wind started like slowly, just a little bit, and then just right after 5, 6, and then we started like hearing, and then we live in like an apartment complex. So you actually felt, you know, the movement and the windows just like, you know, like bouncing. And I just, you know, seeing the landscape changing just because of the wind, just for a few hours, is just, you know, it's something that, you know, tells you that the Mother Nature is actually, you know, it's more powerful than anything else, right? You can't stop that. Nature.
Nature means a lot to me. So these trees, it's just really sad. I love weeping willow trees, and I've seen so many families sitting over there under that tree for so long, and it's kind of destroyed now, and a bunch of big cedars gone. And for me, the big cedars are like mother trees, and so to see some of the big ones gone, it's just kind of devastating. It's